Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. So let's say you just got in a Bolex or vintage movie camera, 8 or 16 millimeter, and you want to go ahead and start filming. Now before you load your film into it, make sure you do have one of these Eyecups on the viewfinder here. It not only fits onto your eye to make it feel more comfortable, but it's going to cut out any type of light that's going to be seeping through. So let me explain here. If you don't have this Eyecup on here, light is going to shine through here when you have your eye up to it, and it's going to reflect through the viewfinder here, alright? And it's going to come up on the film that is processed. In other words, when you get your film developed, the reflection of your eye is going to be on the film. It's going to come straight through here and end up on your film. So do get one of these Eyecups. Cost about $30. Alright, hope this helps you, beginner filmmakers. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter, buy and sell group. Put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page and join our group, Avant Garde Films Philippines. Thanks a lot and bye-bye.